Hello, my name is Roman Orozco, and my topic is global warming. Today, my audience is Eduardo Vidalis, Jonathan Carvalho, and of course, my recorder, David Valle. What is global warming? Global warming causes a set of changes to the Earth's climate and affects weather patterns. Global warming is caused mostly by humans. Humans are the main cause of most of the pollution released in the atmosphere of today's Earth. The pollution caused by man-made machines and is also produced by cars and other types of machines that use up carbon and various types of fuels. All this pollution and all the carbon released into the atmosphere is affecting the ozone layer. The ozone layer is the protector, the shield that protects us from the strong rays of the sun. And by damaging the ozone layer, these rays are getting in and is causing global warming. The effects of global warming. The ice caps are melting worldwide from the South Pole and the North Pole, which makes the sea level rise each year by 0.13 inches. The rising temperatures have changed the routines for many wildlife, and animals have begun to migrate from to the north for cooler temperatures. Also, there is also an increase in diseases. Due to rise in temperatures, these diseases are more frequent along foods and other types of vegetation. Also, when it rains more frequently, more waterborne illnesses are spread easier, such as salmonella. Also, there's places where there is drought, and there's also more dust and airborne diseases that also get people infected. Global warming over the years. This graph shows the global temperatures in Celsius over the past 120 years. As you can see, over time, global temperatures have risen due to global warming. In 1881, the temperature was 13.68 degrees Celsius. But as time passed on, in 2010, in the future, it has risen to 14.47 degrees Celsius. And will keep on rising as time passes by if we don't do anything. How to prevent it? A good way to prevent further global warming is by powering your homes with renewable resources. Choose companies that get their power from renewable sources, such as solar panels, windmills, and other types of renewable resources. You can also reduce the amount of water you waste. That helps by lessening the amount of factories that have to produce water, which and therefore reduces the pollution that is released each day. Turning off lights that aren't in use and also pulling the plugs on devices that are not in use is another good way, by stopping the electrical factories from producing too much pollution. All of these things contribute to the stop of global warming. Using electrical cars and using non-carbon machines are also good factors of stopping global warming. For instance, say you have a carbon car that uses gas. It releases toxins and pollution into the air, which damage our ozone layer. By you buying or using an electrical car or an electrical motor, you're decreasing the amount of pollution released into the atmosphere. The only bad thing is with these types of advancements, it is not cheap to buy. But over time, scientists have been inventing better technology that is affordable and cheap to produce that helps the environment. Why we should prevent global warming? The reason we should prevent it is because in the future, human race will no longer be able to cope with all these diseases, such as skin cancer, salmonella, and all other diseases that are waterborne to airborne. We are exposed more to the strong rays of the sun due to the holes that are made by pollution in the ozone layer, which is the cause of skin cancer. The animals on the planet can go extinct, which would cause food demand to rise. So as animals also are more affected by all these diseases, they are killed and they are not able to withstand the diseases, which therefore raises the food demand, because they're dying and we need more food. And since overpopulation is also happening, we do not have enough food to feed each mouth in the world. Also, forests are catching on fire more easily due to droughts and the climate changes. That's also causing the vegetation to decrease, which is therefore causing the food, causing food to also decrease for animals, not just for us. So, and there,